How to use Forsta voice, video, and screen sharing. Within your Forsta Web account, click on a conversation you would like to initiate a video call in. Click the video icon towards the top right of your window. To start a call, click Join. Everyone who is part of the message group will be notified that you are calling them. Once your recipient answers the call, you will see a green check mark pop up next to their live video feed. To disable your audio or video, click the video or audio icons at the lower left of your window. To initiate screen sharing with people in your video call, click the More menu and select Screen Sharing. You can choose to share your entire screen, an individual application window, or one of your browser tabs. To enter full screen mode, click the expand icon. To minimize your chat window, click the minimize icon. This allows you to simultaneously message, talk, and screen share. To change your call settings, click the More menu and select Settings. From here, you can edit your outgoing and incoming bitrate limits, as well as your outgoing video resolution. Collaborate your way with Forsta voice, video, and screen sharing.